$123 in trading profits today alone. My Binance account grew from $20,500 all the way up to $48,000 in a matter of 6 months alone through the use of the crypto trading bot Eazybot. The, in my mind, best crypto trading software out there today. As I said in the intro, my Binance account grew over $20,000 in the matter of 6 months. Almost $30,000, from $20,000 to $48,000. Eazybot made $12,000 in trading profits alone. Additionally to that, Ethereum and Bitcoin's price appreciation made all the rest. Eazybot also offers Bitcoin against Ethereum trading pair options, so you can grow your Bitcoin portfolio. Those two coins appreciated over 100% in the last couple of months, and this price appreciation is also shown within my Binance account. Eazybot itself is a crypto spot trading software using API connections to your preferred crypto exchange. Available is KuCoin, Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. I myself am using Binance, given that Binance offers the lowest amounts of fees. Today, we can see that we already closed $123.60 in trading profits, and we only have 1 p.m. So there's still 11 hours on the day to make even more profits. I have about $30,000 connected to the trading software, so this $123 make up about 0.4% in 1 day alone. Now currently, Eazybot is running a special VIP package offer for lifetime rewards. So if you're already a user from Eazybot or newly interested in it, they currently run the promotion till March 15th, so the next 2 weeks, for the VIP package, giving 25% off for lifetime. So this annual subscription now only costs $750, and if you need to renew it in 2025, so next year, you still have the same price of $750 instead of $1,000. So you get 25% off a lifetime. Obviously, if this package is too much for you and you just want to start and try it out yourself and just get used to Eazybot, you can start your free trial using 2 bots today and have access to these 2 bots completely free for 45 days. Now, I myself am a VIP Plus user. I have currently 40 active bots, and every single bot is giving me passive income every single day. Now, please keep in mind, even though we see those phenomenal numbers with $123 profits today alone, over $1,300 this month, and $12,000 total, that this is still crypto spot trading. There is risk involved, and only invest money you're willing to lose, given that there's also potential to lose some of that money all the way up to a total loss if crypto goes to zero. I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is any kind of financial advice. Please make your own research and do your own investment decisions based on your risk tolerance. Now, crypto trading gives us the opportunity for phenomenal potential gains, but also there's high risk involved. Please keep that in mind. Now, as I said, my Binance account now grew to $48,000, and I have over $25,000 in USDT now available in here, given that the crypto prices skyrocketed throughout the last couple of weeks, and all my bots were only selling and making big profits. I actually put some of that amount now in the Binance Earn program. The flexible Binance Earn program currently gives us 22.85% in APR, and with $18,000 invested in it, I make about $10 every single day. For USDT, that's currently not needed in my Eazybot account. So additionally to that $123, I also earned $10 in USDT in Binance Earn products. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, if you want to know more about Eazybot, there are a lot of videos on my channel, so please check them out. In the next couple of weeks, I will also release my monthly review for January and February, and I can tell you guys the numbers and profits are phenomenal. In case you are interested in Binance, Eazybot, or anything related to it, there are links down below. And please, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via Telegram, mail, or WhatsApp. And that being said, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.